Hey y'all, welcome back, honey. Listen, y'all, we finna do some taquitos. What is it, taquitos? Lord help me, child. Some Takis. Some taquitos. Because they look like them, that's why. So, you know. You ain't got none, honey. You better go get some, honey. You better go get some. All right, honey, y'all, it's review time. Y'all already know, honey, we ain't did this in a long time, honey. The heat is on. So we got some blue heat. Let me turn this thing over here. Some blue heat hot chili pepper chips. I can't say that name. Tortillas. Tortillas. Okay, so I got 2 bags of that. Y'all, you know you cannot do a review without the main star. You feel me? The one who started it all. Like, honey, that'd be like trying to put on a shoe, honey, and trying to, I don't know, child, but it ain't right. Okay? It ain't right. So we got the originals, okay? And what this is here? Oh. New color changing effects. Okay, so we're changing colors, and this is Scorpion Barbecue. Honey, you know black folks, honey, we love barbecue, honey. We'll barbecue anything, honey. It could be somebody had a toe operation. Let's go barbecue. Honey, let's go barbecue, baby. Barbecue chips, okay? Honey, I'm telling you, honey, we'll barbecue anything, honey. We changing the baby name. Let's go barbecue. We getting a divorce. Let's go barbecue, honey. Okay. All right, y'all. New color changing effects. Back. I had to free up space in my phone, honey. Okay, so this is volcano queso, habanero pepper, and cheese flavor. Queso is cheese, whatever. Chips, okay? Same chips. Okay. I do want to start with the blue, but that wouldn't be right. It's Big Daddy, you feel me, honey? Gotta have it. They kept falling. Sorry. Okay. All right, let's try to get them all in here. All right. So we already know what these taste like, honey. But like I said, honey, it won't be right. So y'all know we be looking for what? The darkest one in the bunch. The blacker the berry, the darker it is, baby. You know what they say about black, honey. Darker the berry, sweeter the juice. Alright, y'all. Honey, they done kind of skipped out of the sounds. Who else? Y'all let me know in the... It got me. It got me. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Do y'all eat the whole... Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, y'all let me know in the comment section. Do y'all like sucking the stuff off of... When we say sucking and stuff like that, it sounds so, you know... But y'all like sucking the stuff off of it or eating the whole thing? Y'all let me know. Call me a sucker. It's a good bag. It's okay. That one was. Oh yeah, that's a better one. I'm only crunching on them That's good. You always gotta have the original. I want to start this blue one, y'all. But let's start this one. Okay, these are limited edition. I don't know why they do that. If it's good, and then you want me to try something, you ain't gonna make it no more. What the heck you do all that work for? Get all my taste, but ooh, these things is beige, honey. They albinos. I wasn't expecting a bag of albinos. Look at these light-skinned things. Can y'all see? Let's try them. I'm gonna let y'all know. Yeah, where's the green at? Yeah, liars and the truth ain't in us. I was looking for the moldy color. What the? Yup.
Oh, I see, Mom.
Y'all.
It's green.
When you bite it. Oh.
Wow.
Okay, this some tricky stuff, honey. This kind of scary.
Yeah. I'm not going to
Oh.
eat the bag of these. Oh, all the plastics up on there.
You know what? I'm gonna say it like this here. These ain't that good to me.
But the spice is there.
They spice, they came through with the spice. But the flavor, let me go back in.
Yeah.
The chip don't have no powder, like, it's not like this. It's not coated, y'all. Hold on, cause see?
Same thing.
Is not on there. The only thing that you get is the food coloring. Yeah, see? I don't know how they did that food coloring stuff, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, I give those oh, I don't know. Spice. My daughter doing a video too, but y'all, she to the side. Spice, I give them a 5. On taste, a 0. Cause it tastes like nothing. What it taste like to you?
Yeah, I can give it 2 in flavor, a 5 in spice too.
Ooh, oh honey, these taste like these taste like I'm a taste. These smell like dog treats. I ain't lying. Smell like bacon dog treats. Smell them. It smells like burnt wood.
Sunflower seeds too.
Okay, so this is not coated either.
Yeah, this one is.
Oh, yes it is.
Oh man.
Oh Lord, look at my teeth.
Oh, they're really good.
Okay.
I like these. And
Why they just didn't say bacon? Look at this. Why they didn't say bacon? Are you getting bacon?
Yes.
I'm getting a lot of bacon.
I don't taste barbecue.
Yeah, I don't taste barbecue, y'all.
Oh, the food coloring is really
I'm so glad. Look.
I guess that is really blue.
I don't even know why it's blue, honey. Because this here is supposed to be... Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be blue. Well...
That one...
I get that one a 3. I'm not getting it. Yeah, I taste bacon. It tastes like bacon.
And honestly, it tastes better than the other bacon products to me.
Ooh, these is cute, honey. Okay, they came through because I was... I think they took the albino ones and colored them up. That's what I think they did. Right.
Oh, these are better than the ones I had.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah, I love them. Oh yeah, this is good.
See how they got it covered on the pad? Come on, man. When they first made Takis, they came through. You get that. This one has a limited now. Now, let me tell you. Yeah, so I'm going to compare. Listen. They came through. Pushed through. It's coated very well. These other ones, let me grab another one. These other ones is not, let me see, sorry y'all. These other ones is not really coated like these two. Can you tell? What that is in my fingernail, child, don't worry about it. I've been doing videos and stuff. Okay, what's the tasting? The blue one. The blue one tastes like the original one. When you eat it, it's a burst of the lemon flavor, no heat. I'm not getting no heat nowhere, but it has a burst of that lemony stuff flavor, but there is no heat.
Yeah.
So y'all let me know in the comments section and the gossip section down there if you guys tried these, what you think, and where you buy them again. I would buy these two. The other ones, yeah, that's a waste.
The ones.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. You guys let me know down in the gossip section what else you guys want me to review, and I will review it and make sure it makes sense. All right? Okay, y'all. Bye.